Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your iPhone 15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 15 and you are wondering how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there, we'll see there is a personal hotspot. Simply click over there and then we'll see it's gonna appear just like this. We're going to click here, allow other to join. So I'm going to turn on that, and then you might be looking for what is the Wi-Fi password. So this is my Wi-Fi password. You can easily change any password you want. For example, I'm going to type here my password, whichever I want, and then I'm going to click here done. Now you can see I have successfully turned on Wi-Fi hotspot in my iPhone 15. Now maybe somehow some cases you want to turn off Wi-Fi hotspot. You need to click again in your iPhone 15 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here personal hotspot, and you can simply turn that off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on or off personal hotspot. Also, there's another quick shortcut way to turn on or off personal hotspot. So you need to swipe down just like this, which is quick action area, and then you need to long press this caller data, and then it's going to appear. If you decide to turn on personal hotspot, you need to click over on it, and immediately your phone is going to be turned on personal hotspot. If you decide to turn off personal hotspot, you can again swipe down just like this and click this caller data, and you can simply turn off personal hotspot. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on or off personal hotspot in your iPhone 15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.